Sir, in Saudi Arabia, there were drone attacks on some oil production facilities, and some are worried that this might affect local oil supply. Is there any assurance or a statement from the palace about this?
We're waiting for the report of the Secretary of National Defense as well as the National Security Advisor on that.
As far as Malacanang is concerned, sapat po ba, or should this have an immediate effect on our local supply?
That's why I said we will have to wait for the report of the DND Secretary and the National Security Advisor so that we can respond properly.
Okay. Not DOE, sir?
Including DOE,
Okay.
Energy.
Thank you, sir.